Okay, let's take a look at how to print directly onto a substrate like glass. So this assumes that you have glass applied onto your build tray, and then you are going to have calibrated the Z height according to that new base surface. And then I'm going to show you now how to set up a print so that you're printing directly on the glass without having the support carpet or pedestal underneath your model. So here we have our model within GrabCAD Print. We want this surface that says Pro to be facing down onto this glass surface. So select the model, go to the part orientation, and we will orientate with the face to plane. We'll select the bottom plane with that face, hit OK, and now I'm going to choose to print this part in glossy. And then the last thing to do is to go to tray settings and then hit directly on tray. And that's it. And now I'm ready to send this job to print.